we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DUOPURUI Ethernet Splitter 1 to 2. Consists of the following features. Ethernet Splitter 1 in 2 out. This DUOPURUI Ethernet splitter can expand 1 gigabit Ethernet signal into 2 independent outputs, and the concurrent rate of both devices can reach 1000 megabyte per second. The device needs to be connected to a power supply to ensure stable operation. This efficient splitter can effectively solve the problem of insufficient network ports or limited cabling. Gigabit high-speed transmission. All RJ45 ports of the Ethernet splitter 1 to 2 support up to 1000 MB per SEC transmission rate and are backward compatible with 10/100 MB per SEC with adaptive matching. Perfectly meet the needs of 4K HD video, online games, large file transfer and other high bandwidth applications. Wide compatibility. This Ethernet cable splitter is highly compatible with all kinds of devices equipped with RJ45 ports, such as routers, switches, computers, set-top boxes, game consoles, smart TVs, IP cameras and wireless devices. Supports many mainstream cable types, including Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat7, Cat8. Plug and play. This RJ45 splitter can be used by connecting the device, no need to install additional drivers. The product comes standard with a 3.3 feet USB power cable. To ensure the best stability and performance of the device operation, it is strongly recommended to use a USB power adapter for power supply, such as a cell phone charger, rather than a laptop USB port. The device must be connected to a power source to work properly. Stable and durable. This Ethernet splitter shell is made of high-quality alloy material, and the internal high-performance circuit board ensures stable and reliable signal transmission and strong anti-jamming ability in various complex use scenarios. Rugged and durable, safeguard data security. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.